Have you heard about something like you are within India, but you are being treated as if you are not in India? No, don't get confused. This is very, very interesting. You must have heard about Gift City. What is there in Gift City? Why it is so unique? Those of you who have heard about or aspired for the exam of IFSCA, they may have some idea. The unique international financial jurisdiction located inside India, but set up with the dual objective of onshoring India-centric international financial services business as well as services as preferred gateway for channelizing global capital inflows. I will explain you further. First, understand what is IFSC, International Financial Services Center, a distinct financial jurisdiction considered as a non-resident zone under the FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. So, as if you are living outside India, the regulator here is IFSCA, International Finance Services Center Authority. It is like a combination of RBI, SEBI, and also the local level administration kind of licenses. It has been approvals and licenses. It has been given, approved by the parliament. This authority provides all approval and licenses, much more powerful than SEBI and RBI in this particular jurisdiction. So the activities done here are banking activities, already crossed 60 billion assets, and then there are funds which has been created, fund management entities, already 114 fund management entities and 120 fund registered, and then there are other activities like aircraft and ship leasing, financing. Air India, which is an Indian entity, has also commenced leasing its wide body aircraft from this zone, because there are certain advantages when you are working from this particular zone which is considered outside India. Government has also planned that foreign universities can be set up there. So all those who are thinking of going to abroad for study and these foreign universities set up their center here, it will be considered as if they are outside India. Deccan University from Australia became the first foreign university to be granted final registration for their international branch campus in Gift City. With these kind of activities, it is becoming easier for foreign entities to bring money in India, which is coming into the Indian geography. But a single body authority, IFSC, which is giving all the approvals, more capital flows are expected to come in the country. A very, very interesting and innovative concept. And if you think this video is useful for you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel right away. We are here to make your job preparation 50% faster.